Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. Today is day 3 of Breathe With Me challenge. So today we're going to focus on increasing the quality of your abdominal breathing. So last 2 days we learned what abdominal breathing is. That is inhale, extend your abdomen out, exhale, contract it all the way in. So today we're going to increase that duration of inhale, so you're going to get more oxygen, and duration of exhale, which means more carbon dioxide, out. So the best way to do this for a beginner is lying down, because your body is more relaxed and you have more control of your abdomen. Ready? So join me in Shavasana, that is lie on your back, hands apart, feet apart. I'm going to maintain in a seated position so I can instruct you better. Ready? So settle in. Make sure your palms are facing upwards. Shake your head from side to side. Place it where you are comfortable. Let's soften our gaze and close our eyes. Take a deep breath in and out. In and out. Great job. So place your right hand on your abdomen. We're going to inhale slowly out. Exhale, contract it all the way in. Inhale. Exhale. Great job. So relax. Always be kind to your body. Don't force any technique on you. Always relax and then gently increase, right? So now we're going to count our breath. So we're going to do inhale, 1, 2, 3. Exhale, 1, 2, 3. So maintain your eyes closed. That will help you with good focus. So make sure your palm is back on your abdomen. Ready? Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Exhale, 1, 2, 3. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Exhale, 1, 2, 3. Great job. So relax, inhale and exhale. Because we don't normally breathe like 1, 2, 3. So you should always just relax yourself, right? Good. So make sure you are also, while you're inhaling, your tummy will be coming out. Exhaling, tummy in. Ready? We're going to repeat it 3 more times. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Exhale, 1, 2, 3. Now a little slower. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Exhale, 1, 2, 3. Last one. Big inhale, 1, 2, 3. Exhale, 1, 2, and 3. Good job. Relax. Good. Now we're going to deep breathe, abdominal breathing at your own pace. So inhale. Exhale. Big inhale. And exhale. Great job. Rest your palm on the mat. Relax yourself. Inhale. Exhale. Big inhale. And exhale. Great job. Bring your feet together and your hands together gracefully. Now gently turn to your right side. Take a few breaths there. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Slowly join me in a seated position. So make sure your movements are graceful and slow so you can maintain that calm and slow breath. When you sit, make sure you're rolling back your shoulders, sitting tall, and hands in chin mudra. Good job. Relax your eyebrows, your face, your lips. Great. I'm going to say a few phrases. You're welcome to join me. Say it within you. I am calm. I am strong. I am patient. I am forgiving. I am healthy. I am happy. Great job. Let's move our chin towards our chest with a few gentle blinks. Open your eyes. Great job. Hope you feel amazing because that truly is my intention. So two things. So let me invite you to do two actions. One is to press that like button if you found value in this video, and also subscribe if you have not yet, and share it with your friends and family, especially during this time. We really need to invest in breathing to keep our anxieties down. So number two is I have mentioned a quote for the day in the description section below. So have a read and meditate or reflect on that, and let me know in the comment section below your thoughts, because this is the perfect time to nourish your mind when you're in a calm state. So thank you again for joining me, and have a blessed day.